Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to adjust loose toilet paper holders. So this works for any toilet paper holder. The concept goes the same, but different designs. So it can be loose like this one, if you see the handle is loose, or the whole part might be shaking. So there are just some screws that need to be adjusted, and we'll do all those now. So step one will be to open the screw here, which is at the right bottom of the toilet paper holder. This will be on all the toilet paper holder, and in this one the screw that you need to open is a flathead small screwdriver you will need. So once it's open, then I'll explain further steps. So in step one, I will open the holder here. So now if you see in this one, there are this part, that's the back plate, so you can double check these screws are tight. And then you have this toilet paper holder, so this screw holds this part, and then this is the bottom screw that holds this whole toilet paper on the wall plate. So in step one, I will make sure that these wall plate screws are properly tight. So if you have this plate on the drywall and the screws are loose, then you can remove the whole plate and use drywall screw anchors to make sure that it's properly secure, and then install back the plate. Then in the second step, I will make sure that the all screws that's holding the toilet paper holder is properly tight. So I will make sure it gets proper tight now, and it's good to go. So now in the last step, we will install back the toilet paper holder on the wall plate. So you just put this from the top first, and then the bottom will go in, and then hold it. If you need to level it, so you can level it first and then tighten the screw back. So now if you see, the toilet paper holder is secured. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you to fix your problem, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.